Hi guys.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Making dosa.
Oh, for breakfast?
Breakfast.
This
Roast.
is this is our breakfast routine in the morning
Yeah.
when we drop the kid to school. This is how we do it. Oh, that's a good one. Let me see. Nice. You guys see this? So good.
Here.
Oh, super good. Nice. Wow. What is Tata is eating?
Mutte roast, call it different.
Super.
Super good. So you're adding salt.
Some salt. Some pepper powder.
So you can eat dosa with sambar,
Sambar. Chutney.
chutney.
Anything. Puli kolambu.
Let's see what you're doing. Magic.
See how it looks?
It's come out really good. This is dosa right here, dosa butter. Here we got sambar right here.
That's rasam.
Oh, this is rasam. Here we got rasam right here.
This is a good one.
Ooh,
This is a very skinny.
nice one. Look at that. This is
Sambar.
sambar. Look at this. Nice.
This is the color. Sekkadutha color.
That's good.
Sambar.
Super, super, super good.
Super.
So, what is your New Year resolutions, baby?
New Year resolution, working on my health. So I'm gonna work on it.
Work on your
It's gonna be
health.
surprise.
A surprise, trying to lose some weight.
Huh? அது சூடு இல்லை அந்த அளவுக்கு சூடு இல்லை நல்லா சூடு இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஏன் நல்லா கலருக்கு அழகா வரும்
எடுத்துக்கிட்டு வருது
Crispy, huh?
சூப்பர்
Same like a restaurant.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down.